Okay, so just to recap here, I'm using the Emotifa XDA1, so you can see right here for my output, my digital signal processor, and my amp is the Emotifa XPA2. It's got 2 channels on that. I think it's like, I could be wrong, but I think it's 500 watts per channel, 1,000 watts total, RMS. And right now you can see we're outputting via USB. So the source is actually right here. I'm outputting Emotifa XDA1 USB sound device, USB, and we're just gonna play a heavy song like Back to Black. By Beyonce and Andre 3000. All right. So right now, I don't know if you can tell from the iPhone, but this is much louder than that. So the left channel is much louder than the right channel.
I went back to a new so far from all with
no distortion really on the sub.
Your heart's always stacked. You'll go back to black.
And there's no visible damage on the mid-range and crossover. And you can just tell that this is not that loud.
Go back to her, and you go back to. You go back to.
You can see, it's moving, the mid-range is moving. But the mid-range is hardly moving here. It's really just a tweeter. Channel is significantly overpowered compared to the right channel. Really, it's properly powered, the left channel. The right channel is what is actually underpowered. Okay, so this is the most severely the heck is that? The most severely damaged crossover. You can see right here that the heat was so intense that this melted off right here, the plastic zip ties, and this thing became loose. And I've never seen this. Of course, it blew the. You can tell here. There you go. It blew the capacitors. This main big one. It blew this capacitor. You can tell. You can tell right there. It's blown because it's bowed. And then over here, it blew this capacitor as well. So all three of the capacitors were blown simultaneously. This was the only one that also, here, boom, it ejected this piece. I found this in the speaker housing. It ejected a piece of, I don't really know what this is, but this ceramic, I don't know if it's a resistor or something, but whatever this ceramic device is, it actually blew up to the point that the ceramic plate popped over. So other than that, that's the only significant difference on the right channel, which is the channel we're kind of experiencing problems with right now.